but I don't see any animals. See any squirrels? I don't see any cardinals. Yeah, over there. Oh, hi baby. Hi baby. Kitty, 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 kitty. So cute. It's a breed of a cow cat. No, I don't see any squirrels. Birds, but they're hard to see up there. Stuff. Oh, there's no deers over there today. There's flowers growing. Some good news. Stuff. I'll spring up birds, robins, cardinals. This is where they get the grass at and call for a mate, and after that they grab some grass for their nest, and up there in those trees, that's where they build their nest at. Species of birds. Stuff. Squirrels, they do walnuts and stuff, and after for winter, and yeah, there's holes everywhere, some of it from squirrels, but yep, they help our environment too. But I don't see anything out yet. Right now. Where's Sweetie Belle? Kitty, 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 kitty. Is it nice out here? No, you stay out here for a little bit. Good girl. It's okay. Hi, baby. Here are the birds. This is a little bird house. So it's my mom's, so we've had it for a while. Stuff. Right here, my favorite color is green, I think, but I like peacocks. House, so cute, but I haven't seen no sign of birds yet. Quite haven't seen the robin birds stuff. These birds. I just see that. I really tell. There they go, there they go. I think those are hawks or geeses. I don't know for sure what are those called. I think, wow, this is cool. Kitty, kitty. Oh. I saw a bird fly over there, but it just flew away. It's memories of our dog. Birds. I hear baby birds. I hear birds. Oh, so cute. The leaves are growing. New begins. And these are the old leaves from last winter. Oh, we used to sit right here when I was little, and now the grass grown over it when I was little. And I used to sit there, and me, Sister Brittany, and Beth, we had fun right here. Pretend this is the area. We pretend we did, pretend this was a tennis. They're doing the tennis and stuff, and it was good memories, good times here when I was little. Attended the show. We were having fun. We were in that area right there and having little snacks. We had slumber party, us girls, years and long time ago when I was 9 or 10, I think. Nope, I don't see any squirrels. squirrels over there. Hi, baby. Hi, Dad. Good heavens. I did not find any wildlife animals. Well, some I did. Birds, I heard, and I saw some hawks, or I don't know what kind of animals those are up in the sky. It's hard to tell and stuff, but. And, yeah. Nope, no sign of squirrels. Maybe we'll wait till we'll see more nature of animals. So you guys have a good day. Bye.